Because if I'm being honest, some people just aren't creative. What's up everybody, it's your boy Malik, aka Bokehdishous, back at it again with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to be more creative. So when it comes to creativity, typically there's a couple things that you can do to help increase the chances of you coming up with creative ideas. Because if I'm being honest, some people just aren't creative. But I don't think that you should use that as an excuse not to go out there and create things. There are ways of getting around that. We're going to talk about that in this video. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So I had to do a quick outfit change real quick, but back to what we were talking about. So when it comes to creativity, one of the easiest ways of finding creative ideas is things like movies. For instance, I am watching Training Day right now. My nigga. You can draw inspiration from different movies, but also I tend to watch a lot of the same movies over and over and over again. And the reason why I do that, I look at like the camera angles, I look at how they're telling the story, what are things that I'm missing, what were the writers thinking when they were writing this scene. And when you do stuff like that, you'll start to think more creatively when you're doing your own work. When Cracka has me produce music videos, one of the first things I do when I listen to a song is I think, what does this remind me of? If I were to put this song in a movie, what kind of movie would it be in? And I honestly just start thinking like, I can see it fitting this type of movie. Like for instance, the Hands Up music video that we shot. So I got a lot of inspiration from movies like Money Heist, Takers, and all those type of movies and stuff. And Den of Thieves honestly was a big inspiration for me too. I say use movies is because it's easy. Like you can literally sit on the couch and take notes on movies and look at how movies are made and different things like that and get creative ideas.
3 hours later.
So at Daytona International Speedway, the whole squad here. So kind of getting back to the topic that I was talking about, when it comes to being more creative, another big key to being more creative is putting yourself around other creative people. All my mentors have told me, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. You are the sum of the 5 closest people you spend the most time with. Hang around 5 multi-millionaire rich people, you're gonna be number 6. Same thing with creativity. If you hang around a bunch of people that aren't creating things and trying to be creative all the time, you're not gonna have creative ideas in general. Having creative people around you means you can bounce ideas off of them and they might have a different perspective that you haven't seen yet. So that's why it's important to be around other creative people and like just surround yourself with creativity in general. So the third thing is get out of your environment. So as you can see, I'm in Orlando, Florida. I live in Lansing, Michigan. And I always get more creative ideas when I'm outside of the city that I live in. So even if you drive like an hour, 2 hours away from your city, it's like being in a new environment will always stimulate new creative ideas for you. Now you're in a place that you don't see every day. When you live in a city for a while and you kind of done everything and people are like, oh, what does that do in the city? You're always like, not shit, because you've done everything, so it's not exciting to you anymore. But when you go to a new city, you're like, oh shit, there's so much new shit to do. Ideas flow the same way. When you're already experiencing a bunch of new things, and now you'll just experience more, add that to your creativity. So we're at the rental car place, about to drop the car off. We're gonna fly back to Michigan, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, all that shit, and yeah, I hope you got some value out of this video.